Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on account settings here. Just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found manage notifications, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to comments on your post, just click on it. You click here on all on. Then it's going to enable with your here comments on your posts or on your device. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.